Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to make you understand all about some of the panels like stroke and gradient. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's have a look at this panel, my friend, which is known as stroke panel. So let me take sort of a rectangular tool and draw that proportionally by holding the shift and alt button there, and make sure to apply sort of color there like I have applied this color. And this time I want to apply sort of greenish color. So if you want to observe that furthermore, you have to be zooming that in so that you can observe that furthermore. So we've got a stroke option there, my friend. So if you go there and click there, you can increase the size of that of the stroke or decrease the size of that of the stroke. And then we've got more of the option inside that of the stroke, like a round cape. You can also turn that to sort of roundish cape like this, like you can bring that to center and then to outside and then inside. So this is what is all about increasing and decreasing the width of that of the boundary. And then we have got the gradient tool there, my friend. What we have to do, make sure to click on the fill color and then try to apply gradient fill inside that of the shape. Make sure to remove stroke color from that of the shape and then click there. So we have got a stroke color, so we have got gradient there which we have already applied. So if you want to click that gradient slider, double click there and then make sure to click their swatches and apply any one of them, like applying this one. So now you are good to go and apply any color you want. And then we've got the second slider there. So I have applied maybe this color, so you must be observing that we have applied sort of a magnificent contrast there. And then we have got small sort of slider there. If you move that to right side, you can have result according to what you want. Have a look at this, my friend. If you can move that to right side, you can also change the location, or the location is also being changed there automatically. Have a look at this. So you can play with that. Have a look at this, my friend. This is what is all about the degree. I must say the degree. You can change the degree of that. So which degree do you want to apply? And then if you want to make sort of a different sort of slider there, just make sure to click in between those of the sliders. So I have created different sort of slider there. Make sure to double click there and apply sort of a reddish color there. So this is what is all about making sort of new slider, and then you can have control there. If you make this closer, so you must be observing that color is also being applied there magnificently. So this is what is all about gradient. And then we have got more of the options like edit gradient. You can also edit gradient there by just clicking there and moving that to right side or maybe to left side, and then you are good to go. If you want to remove that of the slider, make sure to click there and drag that at the bottom. Have a look at this, my friend. Well, if you want to go one step back, make sure to hold the control or the command button on keyboard and press Z button. Let me make you understand furthermore. If you click there on that of the slider, just try to apply 40% opacity. This is something related to opacity. If you want to apply more opacity or less opacity, you can go and you can enjoy this option, my friend. And then we have got the next option that is known as linear gradient, which is already applied there. If you go for radial gradient, make sure to apply that. Have a look at this, my friend. This is what is all about the beauty of that, which you can apply and utilize that and benefit that. Furthermore, you can have more of the controls there. Just try to play with that. That will be giving result according to what you want. Have a look at this, my friend. And if I have more of the options there, like applying that and applying this one and applying that one, so that is what is all about related to gradient. Let's have a look at the third option, that is something related to a free form gradient, and this is something giving result like that, which is looking so much awkward. So let me go back and apply a radial gradient. Well, let me make you understand how to apply stroke or how to apply gradient inside that of the stroke. Maybe I want to apply this in that, and this time I want to apply simple color there, and I want to apply gradient inside that of the stroke. And then we have got more of the options like applying this one, like this is apply gradient along stroke, apply gradient across stroke. So let me apply sort of neutral color inside that of the shape. So this time make sure to click there, and this time that is giving result magnificently. Have a look at this, my friend. So this is what is all about applying gradient inside that of the stroke. And furthermore, you can change that. Have a look at this, my friend. See, that gives magnificent result. This was all about gradient and stroke. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.